Alright, so in this video I want to show you guys the updated version of Dataforest. Alright, so let's get started. So first you input an image. So I have this image open right here. Actually, let's begin with this one. So as you guys can see, we have it open. I paste it, and as soon as I paste it, I'm greeted with all the options. It tells me some important information like image, width, and height, etc. So before I start labeling, I first actually need to create a label. So I'm going to call it adult cheetah. So as you guys can see, a label is created, and then the baby cheetah. All right, so let's first go ahead and select the adult cheetah and label it. All right, so we have labeled that, and as you guys can see, it shows up in our bounding boxes right over here. Let's go ahead and select the baby cheetah, and that works as well. All right, so as you guys can see, that works fairly well, and you can go ahead and delete, any of these, and then go ahead and re-add them, etc. Add a new label. Like let's say I want to label a bush. In this instance, I go ahead and put bush, and that is labeled, right? And then I can relabel this one as well. Oh, didn't want that to be bush. I want that to be a baby cheetah. And there we go. All right. So once we are done labeling, we can actually now go ahead and export a CSV. So as you guys can see, it generated a CSV for me. I'll go ahead and open that up. All right. So the CSV essentially contains all of our bounding box information. And the great thing about this is that if you guys see, this original image was actually somewhere around 470 pixels in width, and we actually altered that to make it scale to our thing. However, the bounding boxes are actually true to the image, so it's much easier for training a model. So Excel is taking a little while here to load. Let me guys show you how it would look for a much larger image. So this is actually a image that is 2000 by 1000 right here. All right, we'll go ahead and close the pop-up for a second. So this is a much larger image, so I'll get to that in a second. But as for the Excel, as you guys can see, it gives me the label X, Y with height with all of the labels. All right, so let's go ahead and demonstrate the sort of dynamics styling of this page. Just go ahead and reload, and it goes ahead and it lists this. And we can also enter a new one. Again, we can say something like parent and child or something like that. All right, go ahead and do the parent, and we can go ahead and do the children right here, 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 and here. And I can do this exact same thing, deleting whatever I want to do. So I just want to show you guys the updates we have made on the platform so far. Thanks.